Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Thank you guys so much for being here as always. I do want to debut a new tool that we were able to pick up just the other day at my favorite tool place in the world, which is Harbor Freight. We went there and I was able to get a great deal on a tool that I've been wanting for a long time, which is this Warrior brand angle grinder. It's kind of one of those tools that everybody needs in their shop. You don't use it all the time, but when you need it, nothing else but it will work. So I finally was able to get me a good deal on an inexpensive angle grinder. It's still sealed up. I haven't even opened it up yet. So we're gonna open it up, see what this guy looks like, and see what it does. All right, with that, let's do it. All right, let's get this guy opened up. See what she looks like. I'm excited. I am excited. It's just beautiful out here being serenaded. The springtime is coming, Jack, and it is a perfect day. It really is. All right, opening her up. All right, so setting everything off to the side here, we've got a really simple, fairly lightweight tool. As I said, it's a Warrior brand 4.5 inch, 4.3 amp angle grinder. Very simple in operation. We've got a slide on-off switch here. It's a little tight, but so it is. This is going to be a spindle lock to help you when we go to put on the cutting wheel. We've got a handle here that can be screwed in either side, and we've got an included wrench here for putting on the wheels. We do have a guard here, so this guard is is essential for type 27 wheels, but of course we would leave it on for any of our angle grinding stuff. All right, that is it in a nutshell. Let's put a wheel on here and see what she looks like ready to go. All right, I've got a 10 pack of some type 1 wheels here. These are 1/16 of an inch thick, 7/8 of an inch arbor, 4.5 inch cutoff wheels. They're rated for 13,300 RPMs. This guy spins at 12,000 RPMs, so we're good in that. And let's just open one up and put it on. All right, we'll hold the spindle lock down, take off this outer flange, leave the inner one in place. Take this, put it upside down so that the metal right here in the middle, this metal gasket, fits against that flange. Just like that. Put this back on. And holding the spindle lock, we'll take this wrench, tighten these guys down, and that should be ready to go. Let's plug her up. It's really important to be really careful here anytime you're using the angle grinder, because this wheel, this guy is spinning at 12,000 RPMs. If this thing loses its integrity, it's going to fly apart and these pieces are going to go everywhere. It could be really, really dangerous. Kind of like with any tool, it's designed to be relatively safe, but at its heart, it's a pretty dangerous operation. So the minute you lose respect for it, that's the minute you lose a finger or an eye or something like that. So we want to be really careful. All right, what we're going to test this baby out on is a section of old bowling alley wood that I've got here. And if you've ever worked with any of this, you're going to know exactly what we're talking about. Even though it's a beautiful maple, it's a beautiful surface here, the backside is like the surface of the moon. It is riddled. So you can see here, we're riddled with nails and spikes and screws and things all throughout this. Look at it. And we've got these gigantic guys coming through here. This is probably what attached the whole thing to the floor underneath it. Anyway, these guys obviously have got to come off before we can put them into any application. So let's see if we can use our new angle grinder to zip these guys off. I think we can. Let's see how it performs on one of them. pretty cool, wouldn't it? Anytime you can make the sparks fly, that's a good thing. That's a good day, right? Hey, the Warrior brand angle grinder from Harbor Freight, I think it's well worth the money and then some. I mean, I only spent $10 for this, but I think it's well worth the money. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. Did it do it pretty? No, it's not supposed to do it pretty. It's an angle grinder. It's meant to eat away material, vaporize things, shoot things, sparks into the air. This is like a man's tool. It's not supposed to be pretty. It's supposed to be rough and loud and mean and ugly. It's not ugly though. It's a great tool. I really like it though, and really for the $10, I mean, how can you go wrong? It really did the job well. So yes, I would say go grab you one. It's great, even if you've got an angle grinder. It's good. This is a good extra one to have in the pocket. If it was me, this is close to my knuckle, which I'm not a fan of. The switch is really hard to use, but on the flip side of that, it's really it would be hard to accidentally turn on, which is a plus. Anyway, other than that, I mean, it's a simple tool. It doesn't have a lot of function. It just eats up stuff and throws it out in sparks, right? It's an angle grinder, and it did exactly what it was supposed to do, which is grind the crap out of whatever you put it on. So it did a great job at that. I would get another one. I would definitely get another one. It was well worth it. Also, in case I didn't tell you, did I tell you? I got the wheels also from Harbor Freight. So the cutoff wheels, I got a 10-pack of those. They were like $5. So for $15, bam, we were in business here. So, and it did a great job grinding these. These are about 3/8 inch bolts. It went through them like butter. So a really good job, Harbor Freight. So thanks a lot for making a good, affordable tool. I'll put it to use. I'm already putting it to use. And now we'll be able to finally start putting this bowling lane wood to use, making some really cool little tabletops and things like that. That's gonna be cool. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for hanging out, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, give me a shout over here. If you like this video, then like it. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about us. We're doing stuff like this all the time. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.